What's up, you guys? My name is FPEZ. I am a FPV drone pilot slash filmmaker based here in Seoul, South Korea. Today we are looking at should you buy the Protek 35 or the Nazgul Evoque. Right off the bat, I would just say go with the Nazgul Evoque. This is why. First, it flies better than the Protek 35. It's stronger, it's smoother, and you can do acrobatic flying with it. Protek 35 is not very good at that. It is a drone that is for, I guess, filmmaking kind of. Or getting one long shot flying through and around people. Number two, also why the Nazgul is better, is because it more or less, it can go through the same spaces as the Protek 35. They're basically the same size. The Nazgul is a little bit wider, but you're not, I mean, if you're going through tight spaces like that, that's, well, impressive. I mean, they're the same height, so you definitely can go under things quite easily. So I guess that is one benefit still of the Protek 35 is its prop guards, and it's a little bit smaller. So flying through small spaces probably is safer. Or another thing that's great about the Nazgul are its propellers. I feel like the propellers are way more durable. Not durable in the sense that they won't bend, but if they bend, you can just bend them back. And it will still fly fine with bent back props. With the Protek 35, the props have mainly just broken on me. Sometimes they bend as well, but then even bending back, sometimes they'll break if you crash hard. But I mean, it's still got the guards. Then crashing, the Nazgul can crash really well, and nothing's ever broken except for a bent prop. The Protek 35, if you crash it, the frame breaks so easily. So you can just tape it back. This is my second frame, and I will tape it back. I'm going to tape this with some Gorilla Tape. But it bends so much, these props sometimes will hit it, and you have to forcibly bend it back, which is kind of annoying. Sometimes I wish I didn't have the props on, or the prop guards on, but it is worth it to have the prop guards on if you're flying around people or under legs, through legs, stuff like that. But they bend and break so easily. That's pretty annoying about the Protek 35. So those are the main points that I have why I would recommend the Nazgul Evoque. I feel like overall, I enjoy flying the Nazgul Evoque so much more than the Protek 35. Only benefit of the Protek 35, or I guess any kind of Cinewhoop, are the prop guards, because it's just safer. Like, I've flown it through my legs and bumped my leg. I would not do that with the Nazgul Evoque. I'm pretty sure I would tear my pants or cut my leg. Most of the time, you're not flying around people. So if you're like just a hobbyist, and you're not going to fly around people for I don't know, it's so popular now going through buildings and stuff. I would just get the Nazgul Evoque because it's so much more fun to fly. But if you are going to film people a lot and that's your main thing, then yeah, okay, obviously get something with prop guards on. Or if you're just really looking to start out and practice and you know you're just going to fly in fields and stuff like that, I would say get the Nazgul Evoque because then you can really do acrobatic stuff and really get the feel for FPV flying. Yeah, so I would still go for the Nazgul Evoque. Because it's really not often you fly inside buildings with people. Okay, that's it. That's the end of my video. I guess obviously you gotta make your own decision, but hope that was helpful.